Back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright,
greetings and salutations guys, welcome to Potluck Chronicles. So we don't know, so we have Tambrin. Yes, who love Tambrin ball, who not love Tambrin ball? Yeah, royalty, big up yourself guys. Check out my members then, please and thank you. Right guys, we're going to clip here about Tambrin balls, and not just that, but yeah, cuss me now, stop cuss me, oh man, cuss me now, yeah, cuss me. Watch this, let me tie up video now, and let's leave a comment on the outside, alright? Boom.
First panelist. Alright, I'm in my mouth, you know. Me I go now, you know me I go now. So me never just come, but me I go now. Here in Jamaica, some people will say me I go now, or me I leave, or a little more, or later. But me I go now. Me never just come, but me just say. Alright, so you learn something new, go? Yes, me I go now.
So let's wait and see what it means in English language, and get your pen, your paper, notebook, and something there, and make we go straight to the video, alright?
So in English now, go. I have to go now. Yeah, I know my throat can't talk too much, so I have to go. I have to go. Alright, so but me not, no. Me gonna stay a little bit, alright? Next panelist, yeah man. So this is something I always hear me always say, so we sound. Is a yeah man. Say it. Yeah man. Yeah man, me a forward. It's not yeah man. No, in a sound, so yeah man. Yeah man. It's not yeah man. Irie. Yeah man, I saw the thing. Yeah man. Nope. Right? It's yeah man. And yeah mean yes. Alright, so another case here. Yes, I will be there. I will be there. Just call my name and I'm gonna be right there. Next panelist. No cuss my man, one cuss me now. Alright, yeah, me know about nobody that cuss me. We cuss me for here in Jamaica, quarrel or to argue, we cuss. Alright, you're not supposed to be among us Christian. But you're somebody who Christian, I would say.
You know, I don't like how you stay. I don't like everybody here. We are trouble me, I don't like it yet. So, but some people here,
indecent language, which we call now, which you'll never hear on my channel. Those swear words, alright? Yes, in English language it means to quarrel or argue. Yeah, I know I sound a bit hoarse, but excuse me. Do you have to argue about it? Me still come down. Do you have to argue about it? As for me, I don't like to argue. Before I see a confrontation, I will run for the hills. I will run. I don't like to. No, I'm not the type to sit down and I would just say, you know what, let us just calm and talk about it. Come then I will just step away.
Wow. What that?
In Jamaica, what is that? What that? How are you talk about? What that again? Nish, what that? And then the expression, you know, what that you are calm about, you know, so that a foolishness. You argue over that. Yes, you sometimes we use argue or you cuss about that. That makes sense?
That makes sense, yeah, idiot. That not sound right. Copyright did it so.
So in Jamaica that we will, awa, wa. See you just here. Just say it with me. Wa, that. Alright. Good. And I take a little break because I have to take a break for you short. So in English language, what is that? What is that? What was that, Nisha? The baby voice here is killing me because I know I'm gonna put it in a baby voice to like kind of blot out the horse. Yeah. I'm just having fun, guys. I don't know. When I'm doing Patwa Chronicles, I have a lot of F-U-N. Yes, so what? What is that? What is that? Yeah, right? How about that? What is that?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Next panelist, Yasso. Come chat, Yasso with me now. Come over, Yasso, come and chat. Come chat, Yasso, you for come, Yasso nice. Yasso funny. Yasso full of vibes. Yasso. So Yasso, yes, Yasso is another word you can look for, of course, in Jamaica. Yasso. Come over, Yasso, or Yasso. Yes, it can simply mean, sit, or you can point to a child or to say Yasso. Or you're a friend in a bus saying Yasso. Just giving them a command, to just, well, Yasso, but for me, female, I guess, say Yasso. No, unless I say, Yasso, a place there, me tell the one about to sit down, Yasso, depending on the tone. So as I said, the expression and tone is very important here in Jamaica. And in English language, this means, come over here, Dora. Dora, the explorer. Dora, the explorer. Let us have a talk in Jamaican language. Oh my God, wow. Come over here, Dora. Yeah, so come over here, Dora. Let us have a talk. Or come over here, guys. Come this way. Birdies. Come on. Come, birdies. Guys, thank you. We've come to the end of another Patwa video. Thank you for the watching. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the support. What is that? Anyway, to our friend, to our cousin, to our uncle, to our brother, to our sister, and our aunt. See you guys at 6 a.m. and Morning Glory. And of course, check me out on Thursday at midday for Bible studies, and Thursday 6 p.m. for games night. Take care of yourself. Be safe. Walk good. God bless you. Love upon each other.